this in a freestyle career in the future?
Yeah. You can, dude, you know what'd be really big? If you came hit like that ramp right here, land down this and double that. But to that roller, gonna give me a little love tap. I need more speed.
Looks pretty cool.
But maybe if I can hit it, I can go farther.
Clear the table too. That was way too big.
That was insane. You landed perfect there. How big's the double after it?
I'm just kidding.
Take a breather, dude. I'm up to look on it. And it's not as bad as you think.
I wonder how big this is. Probably like
20 feet?
Dude, it's way more than that.
It's bigger than 20. Maybe
35.
30, 35.
Yeah.
So we're here today at the East Coast compound. We just got the tracks all built and we have full layout for the Can-Ams. It's basically the moto track that we built where you can drive the Can-Ams also on it. So it should be a fun day. You can go throw some roosts with some of the guys. We got Scotty and Kyle Cheney come over from Can-Am, the guys at Race, and they were in town with over at CT Raceworks. I was like, cruise over, let's do some driving, and we got International Off-Road Day coming up, so I was like, it's a perfect opportunity. So I just got back from Tallahassee with Hayden for Supercross training, and it's time for me to go have some fun. So anyway, we're gonna go rip around some Can-Ams, go hit some big jumps, and throw some roosts, so it should be good. So fun, dude, this place is so fun. All these jumps are like so fun in these things. You kind of have to time everything different, and it's like jumping a quad, dude. Freaking dirt's perfect right now. So you can probably jump about everything. Soft. I thought it was just gonna go.
There's a little bit. We were talking about it on the top. It was perfect though.
I didn't even want to look at it. I was just gonna hit it. And I went up. I'm like, shit, it's got a kicker on it. It landed over the top, right? Like it got over the knuckle.
Yeah, it was perfect. You couldn't hit it better. No. Like you can hit every jump out here now, and that one's next.
Yeah, I think that's doable for sure.
Just come around the berm and lay on it.
This suspension's so soft in the rear, slow jumps are fine, but fast, this thing bucks.
Yeah.
And I think if I hit, you're gonna have to hit that with some berries. Like, you're gonna have to hit it pretty hard.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to go, yeah. And I'd like to jump it with stiff suspension and jump level, kinda.
Also,
Not-
it's not nose down.
Not
It's not gonna.
Yeah, but the landing is so down that you kind of need to pitch it.
Get a little nose high. I hate like that thing.
In front.
Yeah.
You hit the Rebel there too.
Did I right here? All right.
Try to bring the front back.
That basically means I didn't think I was gonna make it.
Hey, have you hooked a rod on the top side yet?
Yeah.
Flew off?
No, I haven't flipped. Nice.
All I kept thinking, oh, dude, if it hooks off the
that,
top root.
Yeah. I've definitely lifted up and then like saved it, but I haven't like gone over it. All right, so there you have it. It was a successful day when you get a bunch of good pictures, a bunch of good video, no big crashes, and man, I had a fun day getting to drive with the guys and gave me more things to think about. I think we'll be able to change up the track a little, and I have ideas of some events I want to do. I'd love to do an event here where you see you get 10 Can-Ams that are all the same, and invite like 5 big name YouTube guys, 5 racers, team them up and do some team races. Then maybe the first prize is something big. I don't know, like the Lamborghini or something like that. I don't know. I think there's a lot of things we can do out here, and it was cool to get to share it with, you know, Colin, Scotty, and Brad DeBerti came out here and checked it out. He's a neighbor. So my goal is to spread the West Coast vibe of tracks and jumps and side-by-sides moto out here on the East Coast, and get people to kind of start, you know, doing more of this. There's a lot of property out here, and it'd be cool if more people built facilities and tracks to just rip around and maybe have some races out here once in a while would be cool. So that's it. But today was a success. So thanks to Can-Am. Happy International Off-Road Day, and keep it going, man. Keep it alive.
My boys, we're out here at our Supercross track, about to rip it up on my old beater. So stay tuned for this action, baby.
Oh, dude, it's bent.
Ready? Oh,
You messed up that peg.
oh, dude, that thing hurts. Occupied on the phone.
I filmed it.
Why?
I thought you were gonna catch air.
Hey, you hop on and hit it.
I already did.
Yeah,
I jumped it on a couch in a Can-Am with 4 wheels. It's like a quad with a roll cage. Okay, I'm gonna go get the stuff ready and put it in the van if you want to race.
Yeah.
Then let's go pack your gear and stuff.
Can I take a shower or wash my hands?
Alright, well, I'm gonna go load up and start packing some stuff and get it ready for this weekend's race at Muddy Creek. Only negative is Hudson hasn't really ridden his 85 in a long time, so, but I don't really have a choice. It's go take him to practice or go let him race, and I think it's better to race, to be honest. He's been riding. I know a pit bike's not riding an 85, but at least he's riding something, and I think he has fun racing because there's a bunch of other kids there, and they were gonna bring my bike there, so I have to pick it up from Triangle Cycle. My 450, they redid it. So I actually raced her a long time ago in the 90s, a long time ago when I used to race pro. And then now we'll just take Hudson for a day. And then that'll be the next adventure. So we'll go load up.
Dad, these work. They're just smaller. I got everything I need. Goggles, gloves, pants, jersey. I just don't have a chest protector. Oh, shoot.
Did it work?
Good to go?
It works fine.
Yeah.
Get a mechanic to work on the bikes, but like Hayden has his mechanic, his new mechanic Duff invested so much in Hayden, time, money, resources, and the mechanic was the last missing piece of like a champion mechanic that's got an older guy with experience. So we got that set up, so we're good. But anyway, I was trying to get Hudson's stuff ready real quick. I was gonna take him to the races and feel like it's important to get him to the racetrack. So someone's got to get his bike ready. I just figured it would. I mean, I know how to work on bikes. I just don't have time. So just getting the the basics ready. Filter oil, wash it, and make sure there's no dirt down in the air boot, and then let it rip. We'll go to the races and let them go have some fun.